Hey guys, I got this lady's bike here that is in need of a satchel back here on this rack. It's a nice rack bag to go on there. So right now we can put stuff on here, but we got to strap it on there. So a bag is going to be really nice on there. Here's a look at this nice bag. I'm going to go ahead and first install it here with these Velcro straps on the bottom. Those straps are just going to go right underneath here and secure it to this. So I went ahead and fully pulled the strap out there. I'm going to put this thing all the way underneath there. Comes out over here. I'm going to go ahead and loop it back through there and Velcro it back onto itself. Just doing it like that and then putting it right there. And this strap here, we can secure it right around this here. So you got this to tie it into and then two straps here. Okay, now this bag is secured in 3 locations, 2 straps there and 1 around the front there. So you can't readily pull it off. It doesn't want to wiggle free at all. It's nice, you can put some stuff right in here and cinch it tight for on top. Got a pouch right here. You can put your phone, that kind of stuff. And you got more storage right in here. Zip that up, put some change, car keys, cell phone, wallet. Got more room in here. And you got the main pouch here. Put all your stuff. You can also put your rain cover in here too. So it comes with a cover for this, which I'll show you at the end. Now if you look inside this thing here, it's got a couple Velcro straps so you can secure whatever you need. So it's not rolling around in there. Maybe you just wanted to put your water bottle in there. You don't want it to roll around. Just put it underneath those elastic straps there. You got some storage in the side here, storage in that side. Same thing on this side too. So tons of storage in there. And look at this, underneath the pouch here, you got even more storage that you can zip up too. On top of that, you got some more pouches on the side. You can fit stuff in here. Got one on this side too. Fit stuff in there. So you can really load this thing up, carry a bunch of different things right on your bike. The other nice thing, you got a reflective strap right here too, so traffic will see that from the back. And then if you want to take this whole thing off and carry it, bring it with you, just unstrap it really easily, and you can carry it with this thing. Overall, really happy with this. It's going to get a lot of use and I recommend it. Thanks for watching, everybody. And it's got a nice rain cover to go over it too.